So in today's video, I'm playing Animal Hospital. This is my first time playing. Oh, not my first time. It's my first time recording. And I'm playing with this random person. He's pretty good at the game. Right now, I'm the one where when you check someone in, you get +1 sanity. Since I've seen this game blowing up recently, so I started playing it. Yeah, on the counter. He said this, I don't know what they're doing, but they joined and then they started hiding. And I told him to take the coffee, which he didn't. Let's look at the cameras. Let's look at the photo. Boom, he has a ring. He should be good. We have it unlocked to taser. Room 1, Bro's just chilling up here. He's not gone, he's here, but like, I don't know what he's doing. Boom. Never go into the photo immediately, because if it's a cursed photo, it automatically does it, and you can see if the photo's changed on there without picking it up. Time to throw them in the garbage. No one will know. How much are you at? Oh, I spelled much wrong. I said mux. Those just... Why did you have a taser? WTH? Wait, what? Huh? Alright. Yeah, I got an extra window. Is that his job, I guess? Oh my god! I never... No! Yeah, it seems like he's an anomaly because I don't know why she let him in. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No. You better not let that person in. This one. Close the shutters. Oh, we can't. She's gonna do this. Run from counting. Hang on. My highest day, I think, is 12. Oh, he's an anomaly. Anomaly. He's clearly an anomaly. Look at that anomaly. He didn't eat no one? Oh my god, that's the first time that ever happened. Anomaly did not eat no one. Boom, check you in. Check you. Photo. Good photo. I mean, he's always good. They're both good. Boom, yawn. Bye. Oh, this game is very hard when you get to the high areas. Especially when the ambulance comes. That's insane though. Basically what happens is you don't know if they're an anomaly because like that's an anomaly, alright. See, came an anomaly. This week. No, he's not an anomaly. He's good. And another way you can tell is if they're leaning. If you're leaning, they might be an anomaly. Anomaly, I meant. Take the anomaly out. He's also staring at that looks so weird because he's staring at the camera. Bad photo anomaly. So when there's a photo anomaly and like you have to check it in and that one's already, all you do is you give them both. You talk to him. You just close it because you don't have to check them in. And I think that's gonna be it for today's vid. It's gonna be long, so bye.